Okay, so I didn't take a trade today because I just simply didn't get an entry, but I'm just going to go over my bias because I feel like my bias is great today. So we're at all-time highs, like we just took all-time highs yesterday, and we were displacing kinda. We didn't have a huge 4 hour confirmation like if we were to displace in the 4 hour like this. If we were already have done this, we were up here. Um, but we weren't really respecting any at the moment besides this right here. We weren't really respecting this 4 hour gap. And same thing over here on ES. We weren't really respecting this gap at all either. We were down here. So we go on the hourly. We have the London low clearly. London high was taken on ES, on Nasdaq it wasn't. Then we have Asia high right here, this hourly gap. So basically, I was waiting for so I had a bearish bias, just how market structure was looking, because we were kind of displacing throughout the entire overnight session, displacing down, and then we were making these lows, so I could see we could take this out, and then this clear daily low right here, and then there's also this low down here. But mainly, I was targeting this low and this low once we took out this high, or these highs. So if I go on the 1 minute, as soon as market open, we take this high up, we take this high, we displace through this bullish fair value gap and displace through this level. So all I wanted was retracement into this gap, and boom. So what I was looking for. I probably would have held a little bit down here. We never got a retracement. We just kept getting we got another huge push down in this candle on ES. Remember that we already took the London high, so we got this Asia high right here. But we just displace, and I didn't really want to enter on this just because I feel like we could have came up and took this high or this, and also even if I wanted to, like the risk reward was kind of buns. If I put it right here, it just wasn't that good to me, or for what I was looking for. And the reason that I didn't enter off of this this fair value gap, is because I would have wanted to leave this fair value gap open, and that risk reward was just terrible. And also, even if I didn't want to have this fair value gap open, this still is a terrible RR. It's just a 1-to-1. But once I saw that we made a small time frame SMT right here, I was looking for possibly a retracement into this. The only retracement I probably would have taken from this would have been if we retraced into this kind of order block situation right here, and I would have put my stop. Like, this is how I would have had the entry right here on ES. On ES, actually, I was looking at the 15-second. We had displaced. We were respecting this, displaced, and I would have entered if it retraced into this right here. I didn't enter. I don't really look at the 15-second that much, so I didn't really peep this entry where it retraced right here, because you had displacement and then retraced into that gap. But I didn't really enter on that. So today I feel like was just unlucky we didn't really get any retracements into anything, any confidences for me to want to get in, sadly. So I just kind of watched price go where I thought it was going to go. I mean, look at, And the reason I'm not really entering off of this, taking that low and then displacing is because like we already traveled so much. Like this is the move for the morning session. It was clearly just bearish market structure. It's kind of just sad. I mean, you just gotta be patient and wait for the retracements into those gaps, into those breaker blocks, and then it's yesterday. I didn't really enter either because we were just super fast again yesterday. Yeah, 9:30. I mean, 9:30. Like we kind of took a low right here at like 9:10 and displaced. Like the entry would have been right here, but this is not at the time when market opened. It just shot up. So that's why I haven't taken a trade in the past few days. Why I haven't entered. We have news. We don't have any red folder news. We just have existing home sales at 10 tomorrow. And yeah.